org. So now we are converting or deriving the relation 1 joule equal to 10 to the power 7 org. Have you any doubts? These are the unit. In this way we can calculating the unit. In this way we can calculating the unit. So have you any doubt in case of chapter unit? No. We are already telling about everything to you. Now we are next point is your dimension. So what do you mean by dimension? When you should know there are three fundamental quantity. One is your mass, second one is your length, another one is your times. When a physical quantity can be written in form of MLT or its power, this is known as dimension. Means when a physical quantity can be written in form of MLT or its power. When we are writing a quantity in form of MLT or its power, this is known as dimension. Means mass can be written in M, length can be written in L, time can be written in T. Means mass can be written in M, length can be written in L, time can be written in T. This is called MLT form, or this is called in form of M, L or T. Now we are going to studying about what is dimension, what is its application, or why we study applications. So you just see uses of dimension. After going to uses of dimension, now we are calculation of dimension or derivation of dimension. How we can calculate the dimension. So let imagine I am telling you same thing, area. How we calculate the dimension? The formula is your length into breadth. Length can be written L, breadth can be written L. So dimension is L square. So you can write the dimension M is 0, L is 2, T is 0. Means when we are write down the dimension, it will be in the form of MLT. Here you just see L is 2, we are write down L2. Other thing is nothing is there. That's why we are write down L is 2, M 0, T 0. Doubts? Like that we are calculating volumes. Volumes. Length into breadth into height. Length can be written L, breadth can be written L, height can be written L. So what is the dimension? LQ. So M0, LQ, T to the power 0. These are the easy. Now we are going to calculating speed or velocity. So what is the formula for velocity? Distance by time. So distance can be written by L, time can be written by T. I am telling you, mass can be written M, length can be written as L, time can be written as T. So length by time, so L, T minus 1. So dimension is M0, L1, T minus 1. Doubts? Like this way we calculate acceleration. Velocity by time. So what is the dimension of velocity? LT minus 1, time can be written as T. This is LT minus 2. So dimension can be written as M0, L1, T to the power minus 2. Like this way you can calculate all the dimension of the physical quantity. Have you any doubts? No. Now you are calculating the dimension of force. very very important. Mass into acceleration. Mass can be written as m, acceleration can be written in before term. This is lt minus 2. So force dimension is mg m1 l1 t minus 2. Like this way we can calculate work. Force into displacement. Force can be written as m l t minus 2 and displacement is l m l square t minus 2. So these are the dimension of